Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna solve a problem how to remove shortcode content show twice in WordPress website. Okay, so look into this problem. This content is repeated inside our website. Now we will solve this problem. So I'm gonna back to cPanel and look into this theme. This my theme, active theme, as 2019 theme. Inside this theme I'm gonna find function.php. so this one as the function.php. I'm gonna edit. Now I'm gonna find my code here. Inside the function.php I'm gonna write a simple code. Okay, ob_start, and then close the entire code and the return ob_get for clean. Now this code will not repeat your content and your website. Okay, so now I'm gonna save these changes and let's refresh our site. That what happens. Okay, now you will see the content is not repeated. Okay, so in this way you can solve the content twice problem in your WordPress website. Okay, so don't worry, I will provide the code and the video description. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.